Hey guys, this is Priya and you're watching Droidpedia Academy. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, let us quickly understand how to set up the new universal control on the new Mac OS and the iPad OS. I have two MacBooks and one iPad over here for you to understand the entire process. I'm going to post the setup on the iPad as well in the video. If you want to skip to that part, feel free to do so. Now, in order to activate the universal control on the MacBook, click on System Preferences, go to Display, go to Universal Control and make sure all these three are checked. This is really very important. It will help us to identify the Mac or iPad. However, after doing this, if it's not going to work, it probably could be the reason of you not signing into the same iCloud account. We need to make sure that we are signed into the same iCloud account. For that, you can go to System Preferences and look at your account name for it. Now it is activated. One way to check if it is activated or not is to click on this display icon on the right side top corner. As you can see, the linking keyboard and mouse gets activated over here. Here, if your iPad is not working, let me quickly show you the process on how it's done on an iPad. Now, in order to do the iPad, click on Settings, go to General, go to AirPlay and Hands Off and make sure this cursor and keyboard is activated. If it is still activated and not working, on and off it once again. Perfect. Let us quickly test this out. This works super seamlessly, isn't it? However, you can customize the universal control. I'm sure most of you don't know about it, but yes. To do that, you have to click on the display icon right over here and you can check or uncheck. Now, by unchecking, the connectivity for the iPad is lost. When you check it again, it gets activated. So, no matter you have the device, if you have this activated, then only it's going to work. Another way to customize the universal control is by clicking on System Preferences, going on to Display and going to Universal Control. Here, as you can see, my workflow is as such that it travels from the MacBook Pro to the iPad mini to the MacBook Pro. You can lift and place wherever you want according to the choice of your location. If you place it down, it's going to go downward. On moving it down, it's going to work, right? So that is one very important thing. As you can see, if I go down, it comes to the MacBook Pro. You can customize it wherever you want and however you want. This is the most amazing feature. I have utilized the universal control to the fullest and I love it so much. I hope you also find it very useful to use it as such. See you guys in another video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.